Okay, I think we are live. Okay, we are live. All right. Okay, so welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so I have a question for today. All right, on mathematics, JAMB maths. Okay, it said simplify this. So this is SURDS. All right. Before we go further to solve this, okay, if it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and loved ones preparing for their forthcoming JAMB exams. And on the channel, I don't want to leave here. On the channel, there are several videos that would help you with your maths, physics, chemistry, English. Okay, so today we're going to do this. And don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT app. Lovely app, okay, that would help you in practicing. This is the app for every subject. Okay, you pay, it's 2,000 naira to activate all the 24,000 past questions. And see here from 1995. Okay, any subject you want here. Practice, you have several things here. Your result history is here of how you've been practicing. You can change your timer here, several things. Okay, so try to get the app. All the download links would be in the video description box of this video. Okay, all right, so now getting on to this, yeah, there's also a study group. I'll leave the link. There's also your timetable, 30 days, your syllabus timetable that I created. I'll leave the link, everything in the video description box. There's also a 135 physics formula sheet. The link, just put in your email there, I will send it to you. Everything in the video description box of this video. Okay, so let's quickly do this, all right? So to simplify this is called rationalization in SORD. So you look at the denominator. What's in the denominator? It is what? Let me write this down. So we have square root of 12 minus the square root of 3 over the square root of 12 plus the square root of 3. Okay? So what you do here is you look at the denominator. So we have root 12 plus root 3. Okay? So what you do is you multiply both the numerator and denominator with the opposite sign of this particular sword here. So we have here, we're going to multiply by what? It's called rationalization. So we'll multiply by the root of 12 minus the square root of what? 3 over the same thing. 12 minus the square root of 3. So we multiply this by this, multiply this by this. So you remember how to open up. I hope you know how to open up. That's what we call FOIL, the FOIL method. So you do just the way you multiply your algebra and all that. So we do 12 times 12. Remember, when a root is multiplying a root and they are the same root, it cancels off. In JAMB you have to be fast, so you should know all this. It cancels off this root, the root, the square root here, and becomes what? Let's come down here. It becomes what? 12. When the square root, now we do square root, the square root of 12 times the root of, or the square root of 3. And what do we have? We're going to have a negative what? 36. Okay, that 12 times 6. Remember this negative sign. Now, we do this negative root 3 times root 12 will give us what? A negative what? Root 36. Then negative root 3 times negative root 3, the signs will multiply to give us a positive. Remember, when you're multiplying a square root and a square root, it cancels off to give us what? 3 over, we do the same here. So 12 times this, the square root cancels out, we have a 12, okay? And 12 times this, that gives us a negative what? Square root 36. And this positive root 3 times this, that will give us what? A positive what? Square root 36. Then positive root 3 times negative root 3, that will give us what? A negative 3. Okay, the square would cancel out and we have the number 3. Okay, I hope you understand this. All right, so here, what do we have from here? Let's do this here. So here, the square root of 36 is 6. The square root of this is also 6. So we have here 12 minus 6 plus 3 over, here we have 12 also minus 6. This will be plus 6, then minus 3. Okay, do you see that? Now let us resolve this. 12 minus 6. What would that give us? It would give us a positive 6, right? A positive 6 minus 6. That would cancel out as what? 0. We're left here with 3. So let's write down 3. Now here we have here 12 minus this. That would give us what? A positive 6, right? A positive 6 plus 6. What would that give us? That would give us a 12. And a 12 minus 3, that will give us a 9. So we have over 9. So you can see 3 can go in 9. So we have here 3, 1, 3 in 9 as 3. So our final answer is 1 over 3. Okay, I hope you remember this and you remember your sort. Okay, and I wanted to explain it in case some of you are confused. Why I cancel out this, the square root when we multiply the same value is because if you do 12 times 12, it's 144. And the square root of 144 is a full whole number, 12. So this is JAMB, this is not whole WAEC. Even in WAEC, you still need to be fast, but in JAMB, you need to be faster. When the same square roots are multiplying, it just cancel out the squares and just keep one number as the whole number. Okay, that's what you do. So in rationalization, don't forget the opposite sign of the denominator. That's what you're going to use to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. Okay, don't use the same sign. You won't get the right answer. If you use the same sign, you will see the answer will be here. So don't forget that. And when you are opening up, when you're multiplying, don't forget to apply your signs. This minus times this minus would give you this positive. Okay, don't make the mistake and go and put minus here. No, if you do that, you'll see me an answer here that would say that you think is correct. So be careful with your signs when it comes to maths. All right, thank you. So this is our question of the day from DTW Tutorials. See you in our next video. Okay, finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, for He is the way, He is the truth, and He is the life. Okay? He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you that life, heaven on earth here, peace and joy. And you are destined to win. You are DTW. In your forthcoming JAMB 2023 exam in life, you are destined to win. Okay? And that's power to win is in Christ Jesus. Okay, so prepare hard, work hard towards your exam, and don't forget to get the DTW Tutorials JAMB CBT app to help you in your practicing. Right now it's about 36 days to your exam, so practice, practice, practice. That's what you should be doing right now. All right, take care and see you in our next video. Okay, let's stop the screen. End screen.